Good morning, class. Today, 15th of January 2021. Again, we are here with our English online class. Today, students, we are going to revise writing skill. As per the latest circular, your writing skill consists of 10 marks, in which the first portion will be your formal letter. Okay, the first portion will be your formal letter. I'm repeating formal letter. Please note it down in your copy. Formal letter. Remember, only formal letter is there, not informal one. So first writing skill will be a formal letter. Word limit will be 100 to 120 words. 100 to 120 word limit should be there. So be careful about it. Two questions will be asked, and out of two questions, you have to attempt only one question. The first writing skill is the formal letter. Question based on formal letter. So today we will discuss about formal letters. Okay. So certain trips and tricks is there that you should have to remember while writing this one. Okay. This letter is consists of 5 marks. Remember, 5 marks. Okay, ये 5 मार्क्स का होगा. फॉर्मल लेटर इज ऑफ 5 मार्क्स. 5 मार्क्स का बाइफिकेशन ऐसे होगा. फॉर्मेट विल यू विल गेट फॉर फॉर्मेट इट इज ऑफ 1 मार्क, right? If you are writing the correct format, then you will get 1 marks. Then content of 2 marks. Content of 2 marks. आपको इस बेसिस पे थोड़ा सा ध्यान रख के लेटर लिखना पड़ेगा. कंटेंट विल बी ऑफ 2 मार्क्स. एक्सप्रेशन के अंदर आपकी फ्लुएंसी, ग्रामेटिकल एरर, एवरीथिंग विल कम. एक्सप्रेशन इज ऑफ 2 मार्क्स. So total is 5 marks. So formal letter will be of your 5 marks. Format in which format contains 1 marks, content will be 2 marks, and the expression carry 2 marks. So according to this format, you will get the marks. Okay. Letter writing should be only for formal base. It is not informal. Letters will not be come in an exam. So be particular about it. So let us discuss about something formal letters. How will you write this one? So that you can get all this format 1 marks, content 2 marks, and expression is of 2 marks. Okay. Let us do some examples so that our concept was clear. First we will see the layout of the formal letter. Okay, layout or the format. Layout of the formal letters. Formal letters. Be particular about it this time. How will you have to write? Please note it down in your copy. Layout of the formal letters. First, you have to write the address of the sender. Address of the sender. Right? जो भेज रहा है उसका एड्रेस लिखना है. Second, you will have to write the date. Date 15th January 2021. Complete date should be there. Then designation and address of the receiver. Designation and address of the receiver. Designation and address of the receiver. Then problem address means subject. You should have to write. Problem address is subject. Subject, or you can say problem address. Problem address. Got it? Then afterwards you have to write the salutation. Salutation. Okay. Then afterwards you have to write the purpose of writing letter. Means body of the letter. You can say that. Purpose of writing. Purpose of writing letter. That we can consider it as a body of the letter. Body of the letter. Okay. Then afterwards you have to go through that. Important details about that. Important details. Important details about the content. Important details about the content. Then this in this paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to write the purpose. What is the purpose behind it? To write a letter. Then what are the important details you want to keep in that letter? Then the third paragraph will be of your solution. Any solution you will give, any suggestions or any request, right? Solution or any suggestions or any request. Got it? Any solution you will give or any suggestions or request. Then complimentary clause. Then at the end it will be a complimentary clause, or you can say that subscription. Complimentary clause, right? Like yours truly or like that. No? Then signature and name of the signature or name of the signature. This is the layout of the formal letter. You have to put it in this way. Then you will get 5 marks. Otherwise, it's very big problem you face. अगर इस तरह का layout आपका पूरा होगा letter में, then it is possible to get 5 out of 5. In which grammatical error, if grammatical error is there, then marks will be deducted. If content is there according to the question, then you will get score full marks. No one will deduct you. कोई deduct करेगा ही नहीं. तो ये पूरा फॉर्मेट को आपको ध्यान रखना है कि किस तरह से मुझे लिखना है. ये नहीं कि लेटर पे मैंने लेटर को बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर को 3 एक पार्ट में बांटा गया है. फर्स्ट क्या पर्पस है, व्हाट इज द पर्पस बिहाइंड टू राइट द लेटर. Then important details you have to give regarding that letter. Then afterwards you have to give some suggestions or some solutions or any request to that particular concerned letter. 3 paragraphs. Your body of the letter should be divided into 3 parts. First one is the purpose behind writing that letter. Second one, you are giving some important details related to the letter. Then third one, that is you will give some suggestions or any solution or request. If these 3 paragraphs should be there, then you will have, then the content must be there. अगर आपने 3 पैराग्राफ में डिवाइड किया होगा, आपका कंटेंट कहीं ना कहीं उससे मैच करता होगा. Then you will get full marks. This is there. So this is the complete layout, or we can say format of formal letters. In this pattern you have to write it. मैंने आपको मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बता दिया, बाइफर्केशन बता दी, कैसे मार्क्स मिले. 1 मार्क फॉर्मेट का मिल रहा है, 2 मार्क्स कंटेंट के मिलेंगे, एक्सप्रेशंस के 2 मार्क्स. उसको ध्यान में रखना है कि कैसे तुम्हारा बाइफर्केशन किया गया मार्क्स का, मैं वैसे ही तब. So let us do some examples so that these all concepts should be there and you can have some idea how to write a letter. Okay, let's have. Let us do one example. Very easy question. Here is a question. Nowadays, what happened? That we see the rise in prices, isn't it? We see the rise in prices of edible things like pulses, onion, oil, and many other products. Okay. The layman, means the common man, is facing a lot of problems on account of it due to the rising price. So write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the editor of a reputed daily newspaper, requesting him to highlight the difficulties faced by the common man due to rising prices. Sign yourself as Pranjal or Pranav, right? Girls will use Pranjal, boys will use Pranav. Living at 124. Address is given here. Living at 124 Vivek Nagar, Delhi. So this is the address is given. How will you write? The main topic subject is rise in price or burden of a price rising, whatever we can see. So how will you write these questions in your formal letters? Now I will supposed to write you. First we will have to write the sender's address. So address is, as I told you, 124 Vivek Nagar, New Delhi. Okay, this is the sender's address, isn't it? Then comes our date. Okay, leave some space here. That will be clarification for your format also. Date 15th January 2021. Right? Then the next step is designations and address of the receiver. To whom you are right, editor of a reputed daily newspaper. The editor, you have to write the editor, the Times of India, the Times of India, the editor, the Times of India, New Delhi. New Delhi. Got it? Here designation has come. Designation बता दिया गया, editor है, designation है post उसकी. Then address, the Times of India, New Delhi. Then comes problem address or the subject of the letter. That is, we can say that subject will be like this. Burden of rising prices. Burden of rising prices on common man. On common man. Okay, burden on rising prices on common man. This is the first one. Sender's address is there. Then date, then designation and the receiver's address. Then comes our subject. Okay. Then salutations, in which we will write only sir, not dear sir. सिर्फ सर लिखा जाएगा, कोई डियर सर, रेस्पेक्टेड सर नहीं लिखते हैं. सिंपली सर, कुछ नहीं लिखना आपको. Respected sir or dear sir, don't use all this. Only simply write sir. अब आएगा आपका body of the letter. Okay, इसमें हमें problems बतानी है, point details बतानी है, and solution at the same time. Okay, so you will have to write in this manner. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I would like to bring to notice the ever-increasing burden of rise prices in edible things and other products on the common man. So this is the purpose of writing letter first, isn't it? ये purpose रहा आपका लिखने का कारण क्या है कि through the column of your esteemed daily, I would like to bring to notice that the ever-increasing burden of rising prices of edible things and other products on common man. Now, what are the other important details you will give? It is an issue. In this manner, you will write, it is an issue that rise in price time to time and even by the media, but then also it never gets the proper attention. Issue had been discussed in the state and time to time it was being informed, but no action was there. The rise in price of edible things and other commodities is beyond imagination. Is beyond imagination. However, a country should be sensitive to the hike of price, to the rise of price in the essential products like pulses, onions, oils, etc. So these are consumed by the poorest section of the poor people and must not allow to cross a certain level of price. So the rise in price makes a common man a burden for it. This is the important details you need. then what solution and suggestion you will give them? The government has definitely come up with various policies to ensure the security of basic commodities for the government, but its implementation is still questionable. गवर्नमेंट ने स्टेप लिया है मगर उसको इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं किया. Okay, the what request? I would appeal to the concerned official to look at the matter into the matter and take necessary actions in this regard. I hope that the authorities would take step action to regulate the prices that so that the empty pockets of the poor will not be exploited. Very good line. Empty pockets of the poor would not be exploited. We should have to think about the poor section as well. Understood? नीचे subscription, that is complimentary close में yours truly name. जो name बताया गया वो प्रणव and Pranjal. So in this way you should have to write this formal letter. इस तरह से आपको कहना, तब आपको 5 out of 5. Then you will get full marks. So this is the way that you should have to write it. Okay. Now I will give a task to you. Note it down. This is your homework 1. Okay. This is your homework. You will have to do now. I will see that how you will do. कैसे करेंगे आप मुझे बताएंगे किस तरह से किया जाएगा, that I will discuss. You are Roshan or Roshni. Okay, we will discuss. Not no need to do any homework. We will discuss here. You are Roshan or Roshni, a resident of 14 Hudson Nagar, Karnal. You have recently been transferred to Ambala. You have shifted your furniture and other household items using the services of Agrasen Transport Company. आपने अपना सामान एक जगह से दूसरे शहर में शिफ्ट किया है, तो ट्रांसपोर्ट लगेज वाले का जो सर्विस है उसका नाम है Agrasen Transport Company. We found that some of your furniture has been damaged while being moved. आपके कुछ furnitures damage हो गए movement, यहाँ से वहाँ ट्रांसफर. Write a letter in 100 to 120 words to the manager, that is Agrasen Transport Company, Colonel, complaining about the same and demanding compensation for the damaged goods. For the damaged goods. So, how will you start this letter? Please raise up your hands. How will you start? Anshika Naraniwal.
Firstly, by writing sender's address.
What is the address? Tell me the place only. Tell me only the place. कौन सी place के बारे में बताया था मैंने? You have not listened it carefully. It means that you have not listened it. Yes, Vaibhavi Karnik.
Ma'am, Ambala.
No, not Ambala. That is Karnal. Okay, this is sender's address. Karnal. Then afterwards, what will you write? What will you write? Vaibhavi.
Ma'am, date.
Date.
Ma'am, date.
Then after date.
Receiver's address.
Receiver's address. Receiver's address here. What is the receiver's address here? किसको भेज रहे हैं आप? To whom you are writing?
Agrasen Company.
Agrasen Transport Company.
Manager है ना, मैनेजर को दे रहे हैं. The manager Agrasen Transport Company करना, ठीक है ना? What will be your subject? Problem address क्या देखेंगे आप? लिखेंगे आप यहाँ पे What will be your subject of the letter? Subject क्या लिखेंगे? Daksh Dashara?
To ask for compensation for loss for damage of furniture.
Okay, ये compensation मांगने में direct लिख देते हैं हम letter. Complaint about the damaged furniture. ये आपकी complaining है, सीधा compensation नहीं मांग सकते हम. आप कंप्लेन करेंगे फिर आप सॉल्यूशन उसमें देंगे तब कंपनसेशन आएगा वहां पे. डायरेक्ट सब्जेक्ट में कंपनसेशन नहीं लिख सकते आप. कंप्लेंट अबाउट डैमेज्ड फर्नीचर. देन यू विल हैव टू राइट सर और मैम व्हाटएवर दैट body of the letter. You can start like this. I have availed the service of your transport company to shift my furniture and other household items from Karnal to Ambala. The booking was, ये भी ध्यान रखिए सब चीज देना पड़ेगा information. The booking was on this date and the receipt number even. Receipt number क्या है, bill number क्या, that you have to give it. I have paid the fare through check number. उसने check number भी दिया, अगर check से उसने payment किया तो check number भी दिया ताकि उसको compensation मिले कि उसने proof दे रखा है सर. अगर proof नहीं देंगे तो फिर वो कुछ भी नहीं देगा compensation. At the time of booking, I had voiced my concern regarding the safety of my furniture. जब मैंने डील की तो मैंने अपनी सेफ्टी मांगी थी फर्नीचर की. You assured me that the driver and the attendants are experienced in transporting household items, so that and they would arrange them in such a manner that they will reach their destination safely. आपने assurity दिलाई थी. You also said that if there is any damage, then you will compensate for the same. You have to. Now यहाँ पे आ जाता है कि आप specified mode redressal कर रहे हैं उसको. When we took delivery of our items, we found that the sofa and the dining table had been completely broken. अब बता रहे हैं कि आपका कौन सा furniture item damaged हुआ. You can also come and check up the same. I demanded a compensation of ₹50,000. अब amount बता रहे हैं आपको कितना चाहिए compensation. Please dispense of at the earliest, or I will be forced to take legal action. Yours sincerely, Roshan or Roshan. In this manner, you have to write a formal letter. इस तरीके से आपको करना. Understood? इस तरीके से आपको करना पड़ेगा. You get my point? So this is the manner how to write a formal letter. मैंने आपको बता दिया कैसे marks classification है, layout of the formal letter, किस तरह से आपको लिखना है. 2 examples हमने समझे, ठीक है ना? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So I hope whatever we have discussed, it must be